Hi everyone! In this video, we will show you how to use the Request Desk feature in the OrangeHRM mobile application. Request and query management in OrangeHRM is a feature that allows users to efficiently submit requests and manage their work-related requests and queries in a streamlined manner. With the newest mobile app release, the Request Desk is available through the OrangeHRM mobile app. Now, let's see how to use the Request Desk using your mobile phone. First, log into the system. From the home screen, open the menu window to navigate to the Request Desk and tap on My Request. In this screen, you will see all the requests that are added by you. Now, let's see how to submit a request. Tap on the plus button in the bottom right corner. Now you are redirected to the Submit Request page. First, choose the request type you want to request. Once chosen, fill in all the fields below and fill in extra custom fields as well. Once all the fields are added, you have an option to save or submit the request. Now, let's see how to take action and view details of a previously submitted request. Navigate to the My Request List view. Navigate to the Pending Your Action screen to view the list of requests that your action is required. If there are no actions pending from you, this section will not be shown for you. You can archive a request by sliding the request to the left side. Use the filter option to narrow down your search. Tap on the request to see the details and to take action. Tap on the three dots here to take further actions such as approve, export, reject, request info, and withdraw. In the Pending With section, you can see with whom the request action is pending and the progress so far. Here you can view and verify all the details you have added. And additionally, you can start a conversation with the request stakeholders by adding a comment. By swiping the comment, you can edit or remove it. You also have the option to add attachments relating to the request. Just like comments, swipe to edit or remove. Finally, you can also view the request history from here. This is how you can use the Request Desk using the mobile app and manage your work-related requests.